To everything, turn, turn, turn. There is a season, turn, turn, turn. And a time to every purpose under heaven.
Ella, this one's a baby book. This is a baby. Babies have happy smiles. There's a baby.
There's books you can feel stuff too. That's your favorite thing.
Oh, fun, Ella. She's totally into it.
Okay, should we open
Say
another one?
thank you.
Or just you read the book to me, Ella? What's the book say? What's the book say?
Joseph. One day, Joseph's father gave him a coat made with bright colors. Joseph's brothers did not.
You gonna read your book in the box? Who's that book about? Is that Clifford? What's Clifford say? What's that puppy say, Ella? Read it like a lefty. You want me to read it? What's that puppy say? Woof woof. Where's that? Who's that, Ella? Who is that? Who's that down there on the thing? Who is that? Yeah, the baby. What's the baby's name? Is that baby Jesus? Yeah, baby Jesus. It's your Bible, yeah. Read that book. What's it say? What's the book say? Read the book.
Read it. What's it say?
2. Is that right? What's the next page say? What's that page say? Yeah? Is he walking? What's the story say? Can you read it? What's it say? Happy. Yep, those are more bugs over there. What kind of bugs are those? Are they ants? Ink. Is that a kitty cat book? Can you read the book? What's that book say? He's playing with the mouse. Yeah. What's he playing with on the other page?
I'm a kitty cat.
Over here.
A kitty cat. A tail, black tail.
Yeah, he's got a black tail. You're right.
And then
What's he playing with? What's this black kitty playing with?
a tail right there.
Yeah, there's a tail right there too. Yeah.
A tail right there.
And another tail right there.
A tail
this?
right there. stick.
A stick, yeah.
And I can chocolate up.
What are these kitties eating?
Milk.
Milk?
Milk.
Yeah, are they licking you with their tongue?
The tongue. A tongue.
Yeah, is that your tongue in there?
Yeah. I want to try.
What's he doing? What's he playing with? A
Fish.
fish, yeah.
This is a fish bowl.
In the bowl.
A fish bowl.
Fish in a bowl.
A teacher. A mouse. And a mouse.
Mm-hmm. What's this kitty playing with?
Kit Kat.
What's up here?
Body.
Oh, yeah. What color is the bird?
Blue.
Blue, you're right. Oh, what are they doing on this page?
Night.
Night, night, kitty cats.